Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify store data with Amazon S3, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Shopify store data using Amazon S3, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for a data export tool in the Shopify App Store. Select a suitable app to export your store data. Install the app by following the prompts on the screen. After installation, open the app and grant it the necessary permissions to access your Shopify data. Choose the specific data you want to backup, such as products, orders, and customer information. Initiate the export process and wait for the app to generate a CSV file of your selected data. Once the export is complete, download the CSV file to your local computer. Next, log in to your Amazon S3 account. If you do not have an S3 account, create one by following the account setup process on the AWS website. After logging in, navigate to the S3 dashboard where you will create a new bucket. Click on Create Bucket and choose a unique name for your bucket. Select a region that is closest to your business location for optimal performance. Configure the bucket settings according to your needs, and click Create Bucket to finalize the process. Once your bucket is created, open it and click on Upload. In the Upload section, click Add Files and select the CSV file you downloaded from Shopify. Review the permissions and settings for your file, ensuring they match your backup preferences. Once everything is set, click on Upload to store your Shopify data in Amazon S3. After the upload is complete, you can review your uploaded files in the bucket. To secure your data, consider setting up bucket policies to control access. You can also enable versioning in S3 to keep track of changes to your files. For extra security, explore enabling encryption for your stored data. To ensure regular backups, create a routine for exporting data from Shopify and uploading it to Amazon S3. Finally, monitor your Amazon S3 storage to avoid exceeding the free tier limits or incurring unexpected charges. By following these steps, you will have a reliable backup of your Shopify store data safely stored in Amazon S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.